Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic: inflation, panic prices, and real estate. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or a private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Pandemic price increases abound on Amazon.com, according to the Financial Times. Essential items see sustained significant price increases on Amazon in 2021, with some products jumping up many times their original price. Analysis by the U.S. Public Interest Research Group studied 750 essential items sold on Amazon's marketplace, comparing their pre-panic prices to what customers paid for them at the end of 2020. Of 750 items, the prices of 409 increased by more than 20%, while 136 had more than doubled. Patio heaters, suddenly a must-have during winter lockdowns, saw the most significant percentage increase. One model skyrocketed from $150 to $699, a 366% jump. Because most people do not understand basic economics, which is supply and demand, we're in growing jeopardy. We are in growing jeopardy of future mandatory price controls, and those lead to severe shortages and even higher prices. So home prices plateau despite massive federal spending, money printing, and quantitative easing. Some experts expect home prices to see a smaller rise this year than in 2020 in the urban areas, as prices have been falling and still continuing to fall. Southern California home prices and sales rose in December from a year earlier, continuing a so-called pandemic housing boom driven by rock-bottom mortgage rates and people needing more space to cope with the lockdown. The six-county region median sales price jumped up 10.1% from December 2019 to $600,000 last month. According to data released Friday from real estate DQNews, sales rose 29% from a year earlier. Real estate agents and other housing experts say the pandemic had supercharged the market. People with higher incomes who are most likely to buy a home in the first place have been relatively unscathed by the economic downturn. Some are looking for more space as some workplaces remain closed. Mortgage interest rates dropped to record lows, in part because of Federal Reserve policy designed to stimulate the economy. Government-controlled mortgage company Freddie Mac reported the average rate for 30-year fixed mortgage was 2.77% this week, down from 3.6% a year earlier. The drop has lured more buyers into a market in which they found new homes for sale, prompting bidding wars on the most attractive homes. Like gold, stocks, and Bitcoin, real estate provides a hedge against inflation. Real estate provides a hedge against inflation. Los Angeles County, the median price rose 11.4% from a year earlier to $700,000, while sales climbed 26%. The upswing in the for sale market is a stark contrast to the rental market, where struggling tenants have disproportionately been hit by job losses. The contrast shows how the coronavirus panic has exacerbated economic disparities in California and in the U.S. at large. Many low-income renters are behind on rent and worry they'll eventually face eviction during a pandemic that has killed more than 400,000 Americans. The average rent in Los Angeles has also fallen as vacancies rise, in part because some higher income renters choosing to buy for the first time. Corey Chambers, Los Angeles.